Okay guys, this is going to be a video on this clock I got for Christmas. This is a General Electric Model 376 New Rhapsody from 1939. I looked up the serial number, so this is probably one of the first that rolled off the line. Unfortunately, during shipping, the longest chime rod got broke off, so I had to replace the chime rods, which is unfortunate, but at least it chimes. It'd be a shame for a clock this pretty not to chime. And as you can tell, it's quite a wide clock too, 18.25 inches wide. And I'm sure you'll be curious as to what this plaque says. It says H.H. Burr, 1915 to 1940. And I'm not 100% sure who he was, but a friend looked up those initials and his name may have been Harry Burr, and if it was, he worked for Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. So maybe it was him. I don't know. But anyway, this clock in 1940 cost about $30, which was quite a bit of money back then. And it does have the power failure thing in there, but it doesn't work. And another thing I had to do, the original B3 rotor wasn't working, which is no surprise, and that's what it looks like. Looks different than what I'm used to seeing. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and leave any comments or questions you may have. And I'll catch you in the next one, and there's the last look.